Just giving you a quick video tour of these SVT Lightning rims. Plenty of tread. These were used once, and they were an extra set of rims that came from an 01 60,000 mile vehicle. Just going around showing you the lip. They're Nitto NT555R vehicles, or tires rather. Extreme drag, and the tire size you can see right here, 305/45 R18. It says 110V afterwards. Good tread. They're a little dirty. And then this one has a ding in the lip right here. Kind of, it just is what it is. These are dirty. You see this? You can kind of see me smudging it there. It's just, they've just been sitting around for a little bit. But that's what they are. The tires are great. And it's an awesome set of factory SVT Lightning rims to have for track day or just as spares for any time. Thanks for checking out the ad.